Yeah, I needed this today.
Ha! I'm back. Going for a ride today. That's good. That's good.
Start it up.
I would definitely categorize this as a snowstorm. Okay, let's go. Well, we're warmed up. The road is really greasy. I haven't rode down this trail in a minute. Drive, I know that. Oh yeah, we did. Yeah, you can't tell, but that's pretty friggin' steep. How are we all doing now? Oh, snow is really coming down. I'm having fun. I have not been out for a ride in a long time, or at least it just feels like it. Okay, let's go.
I've only been down this trail once before. I know there's a big hill climb. We'll see how it goes.
I knew it had a sketchy section and that was it. Well, I have a saw, but I ain't got one that's that big. You can almost drive through there. Let's come back with the chainsaw. I'm hungry, so let's get a fire going. Cook up some lunch. Gotta go on first try, boys. No birch bark, no newspaper required. Oh yeah, now we're cooking with gas. We're cooking with gas now, boys. Yeah, she's coming down good. I would definitely categorize this as a snowstorm. Yeah, I needed this today. I needed this today. Good for the soul, eh? Good for the soul. She's coming down, boys. You gotta be careful your winch doesn't get frozen. So I went through again. I went through the other direction. It was a little bit tougher. And then I went and repositioned. I was going to do it again and reposition the camera. And I've hogged it out and I'm high centered. Huh. Let's see how we get out of this pickle. Gave us just enough clearance to slide right over the rut. Whew.
Hey, check out this review video of my Renegade right here.